Number 1. Annular cutter set 6 pieces. CNC machined high-precision cutters with 3/4 inch Weldon shank. Made with high-quality high-speed steel. For fast cutting of burr-free holes in metal sheets, no pre-drilling or step drilling required. Cut to very high tight tolerances. Long-lasting drill bit cutting tool, can be resharpened. Suitable for many metals including stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, cast iron, cast copper. Number 2. QPAR 3D Green Beam Self-Leveling Laser Level. 1 360 degrees horizontal and 2 360 degrees vertical planes enable users to cover the floor, wall, ceiling all around the room. 2 vertical lines cross at 90 degrees angles makes user quickly visualize and square the layout. With smart pendulum system, this laser level tool self-levels and indicates out-of-level condition while pendulum unlocked. Once pendulum locked, it switches to manual mode to lock lines for use at any angle. Number 3. Goldblatt Drywall Hand Tool Kit. What you will get: multi-purpose painter's tool, 6-inch flex joint knife, 4-inch flex joint knife, 8-inch taping knife, 12-inch taping knife, 12-inch mud pan. Number 4. Apex Forge 357 pieces Rotary Tool Accessories Kit. The carefully selected 357 pieces accessories include sanding bands, sanding papers, cutting wheels, grinding needles, HSS cutter, flap wheels, brass brushes, steel wire brushes, mandrel for pieces collet and wrench, etc. Very suitable for sanding, polishing, cutting, sharpening, drilling, cleaning, carving, etc. Can be used for wood, glass, ceramic tiles, plastic, metal, etc. Number 5. Amorite Manual Lever Chain Hoist. 3 gears can be easily adjusted and work is easier. The non-slip handle design is more labor-saving and more efficient. The thickened chain link and the chain hoist are forged from manganese alloy, which is easy and labor-saving to use. Because of the stable load, it can be widely used for lifting, strapping, bundling goods, and dragging loads in transportation, construction, and other fields.
Number 6. Root Assassin One-Shot Garden Shovel. The Root Assassin One-Shot Garden Shovel can cut roots, move your plants and dig through piles of soil and other material in your garden. There are many ways to use this landscape shovel to maintain your garden. Its unique wing design ensures efficient digging while preventing large payloads from falling off the shovel. Even though this garden shovel is lightweight, it is durable enough to dig through hard-packed soil, sand, dirt, mud, coal, and other materials. Number 7. Root Assassin 48-inch Garden Shovel and Saw. The Root Assassin Serrated Shovel can help you accomplish various gardening tasks faster than other conventional gardening tools. The enhanced shovel shape and curved tip with serrated edges are perfect for slaying roots and weeds. The Root Assassin Serrated Shovel Saw can effortlessly cut through roots and other obstructions in the soil. There is a sturdy D-shaped metal handle that is rubber-coated for your digging comfort. Digging spade with a pointed tip that allows you to dig deeper with maximum leverage.
Number 8. ThinkWork Damaged Screw Extractor Set and Bolt Extractor Set. Are you tired of the bolts, nuts, and screws being damaged even if stripped, rusted, or frozen? What will you do? Break it loose with a breaker bar and then fit the new socket with a hammer or a mallet. But this will damage your socket. Thankfully, ThinkWork Damaged Screw Extractor Set and Bolt Extractor Set is around you to help you to continue to work on your project with ease. Number 9. Goldblatt 12-inch by 4-inch gum rubber float with soft handle. Gum rubber float is used to spread grout into the joints when grouting ceramic tile. Suitable for finishing or smoothing drywall compound, stucco, concrete, or grout. Number 10. Duratec Universal Wrench Set. Different sizes meet your different needs. The 8-inch universal wrench fits both standard 3/16 inch to 5/8 inch and metric 5 mm to 16 mm nuts and bolts. 10-inch universal wrench fits both standard 11/16 inch to 1 and 1/16 inch and metric 17 mm to 27 mm nuts and bolts. Adjust the size by moving the middle push block. The working torque reaches 1.2 times of the American standard of the double box end wrench, and the destruction torque reaches 1.4 times of the American standard of the double box end wrench. Specialized wrench design allows work on multiple types of fasteners including 6-point, 12-point, square, E-torques, triangle, and most rounded-out fasteners. This wrench can do both American standard and metric. With this total wrench you can do so many things without the need of changing wrenches of different sizes since this multifaceted.